Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to learn subtraction of integer mathematically. Let's first look at 5 minus 3. That gives you the answer straightforward, and that is 2. And now, we would like to go a little bit deeper. Why 5 minus 3 gets you 2 using addition of integer. Let's look at the minus sign in between 5 and 3. And now we would like to perform back conversion, minus sign back converted to plus and minus, and see what we will get there. And let's look at this new expression, 5 plus minus 3. So you should see that this is an integer addition where the sign of the two numbers are different. One is plus while the other is minus. We are to first ignore the sign. So plus 5 gives you 5, and minus 3 gives you 3. We are to use the bigger number minus the smaller number. That is 5 minus 3, and that gives you 2. Remember, the last step is for us to attach the sign of the bigger number. So we are to look at the sign attached to 5. That is a plus. So I believe your final answer should be plus 2. And remember, it's the same. 5 minus 3 gives you 2. And now we are to use this technique to perform integer subtraction for minus 5, minus 3. Let's now look at this minus sign in between. We are to convert this minus sign into plus minus. Let's do it. So plus minus. And now we have turned that into integer addition in which the sign of both the number are the same. So minus 5 and minus 3. So when the sign is the same, we are to add the two numbers together. So 5 plus 3 gives you 8. And you are to attach the minus sign that is attached. You should get your final answer as minus 8. The idea of integer subtraction is to convert the scenario into the case we have already learned. So integer addition. Moving on, we have this question where 5 minus minus 3, we are to use the box again. Let's first observe the sign is a minus minus. So looking at the first row of the box, minus minus just turns to plus. Therefore, 5 plus 3, and I believe that should give you 8. 7 minus 10, we are to use the back conversion in which we are to turn this minus into plus minus. Plus minus. So 7 plus minus 10, in which the sign is different, we are to use the bigger number, ignoring the sign. So 10 minus the smaller number. So 10 minus 7 gives you 3. And attach the sign of the bigger number. So 10 is the bigger number. We are attached the minus sign that is on 10. So your final answer should be minus 3. We are to do 4 example questions. 15 minus 3 gives you 12. 10 minus minus 3. So firstly, minus minus turns to plus. So plus 10 plus 3 gives you 13. Moving on, 8 minus 15. Minus, we are to convert that into integer addition. Therefore, minus turns back into plus minus. Plus minus 8 plus minus 15. Integer addition. The sign is different. One positive, one negative. Ignore the sign. 15 and 8. Use the bigger number minus the smaller number. And 15 minus 8 should give you 7. And looking at the sign of the bigger number, that is 15. we are to attach the minus sign that is on 15. So final answer should be minus 7. The last question, minus 24 minus 3. Turn this minus sign into plus minus and perform integer addition. Let's observe the sign. They are both negative. We are to add the two numbers without the sign. So 24 and 3, add them gives you 27, and attach the sign that is on both, so minus. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.